Hello traders, welcome to Smart Trading Indicators. Today, I have exciting news to share with all of you. In this video, we'll be talking about the TradingView indicator that utilizes OpenAI's artificial intelligence called Hammer and Pump, created by Smart Trading Indicators. Have you ever wished for an indicator with incredibly high accuracy? Well, your wait is over. Our hammer and pump indicator and backtesting for BTC USDT on 30-minute charts achieved a net profit of 578.12% in just 1 year. Yes, you read that right, over 550%. But that's not all. In another backtesting, the same indicator on ETH USDT garnered a profit of 963.23%. This isn't magic. It's the result of artificial intelligence and advanced machine learning techniques that we've incorporated. Now, you might be thinking, how much risk did I have to take on for those returns? Well, our max drawdown in these examples was only 10.224% and 15.46%, respectively. These numbers aren't just statistics. They're solid proof of Hammer and Pump's performance that you can start using now. Behind these figures are hours of research, analysis, and optimization from our team. The primary purpose of this analysis was to determine the most profitable parameters of the indicator. But we didn't stop there. We incorporated the latest technologies and artificial intelligence from OpenAI, leveraging advanced machine learning techniques and neural networks. All of this has been with the aim of achieving market entries with even greater accuracy. And no, we didn't stop just at BTC USDT. We have analyzed a variety of assets from all markets and timeframes to ensure that this indicator stands out in different market conditions. So if you want to learn more about how these numbers can change the way you trade, I invite you to stay with us. And if you're already impressed, wait until you see the backtesting results we have later in this video. Let's get to it. Let's dive into the details and see how this indicator can help improve your trades. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you don't miss any of our trading-related content. It's crucial to highlight that our indicators are compatible with a wide range of devices, markets, and timeframes. Whether you trade forex, stocks, or cryptocurrencies, Hammer and Pump caters to your needs. Furthermore, our technical support team is available to assist you in case you encounter any difficulties or have any questions. Before explaining how the indicator works, let's discuss how to install it, which is very straightforward. First, go to the Indicators section, then click on Invite Only Scripts and select the Hammer and Pump indicator. Let's start by explaining what this indicator is all about. Hammer and Pump is based on a unique approach backed by artificial intelligence to identify buying and selling opportunities in the market. This indicator relies on two key concepts: the green buy signal called Pump and the red sell signal called Hammer. Hammer and Pump is composed of advanced technology and algorithms that analyze a combination of technical indicators to generate buy and sell signals. This includes the use of Bollinger Bands and other key tools like the RSI. Our indicators utilize cutting-edge technology and artificial intelligence algorithms to provide superior processing speeds and improved accuracy compared to human analysis. This means you can make more informed decisions and maximize your trading opportunities. As you can see, the Hammer and Pump indicator is displayed as a line on the chart. It's very easy to interpret. When the price shows an uptrend, the indicator will display a green-colored line, indicating a potential buy signal. The pump symbol will appear on the chart at the level where the price is expected to start rising, as well as to perform a pullback for an upward movement. This rebound zone can be considered a possible area of interest to open a long position. On the other hand, when the chart shows a downtrend, you'll see a red-colored line generated by the indicator, indicating a potential sell signal. The hammer symbol will appear on the chart at the level where the price is expected to start falling, as well as to perform a pullback for a downward movement. This rebound area can be considered a potential entry zone for a short trade. The best part is how easy it is to use this Smart Trading Indicators indicator. You can customize it according to your preferences and trading strategies. You can adjust the parameters and colors to tailor the indicator to your style. We've made sure it's intuitive and user-friendly for all traders, from beginners to experts. You can adjust the parameters according to your preferences and trading strategies. Some of the parameters you can configure include BB period. This parameter determines the period used for calculating the Bollinger Bands, which are an integral part of Hammer and Pump. BB deviations. This parameter controls the number of standard deviations used in the Bollinger Bands calculation. You can adjust it according to your needs and risk tolerance. ATR filter. If you enable this option, a filter based on the average true range, ATR, will be applied to validate the buy and sell signals generated by the indicator. You can activate or deactivate it according to your preference. ATR period. This parameter determines the period used in the calculation of the average true range, ATR, if you decide to use the ATR filter. In summary, hammer and pump is a customizable and effective indicator that provides potential buy and sell signals based on market trends. You can use it as an additional tool to support your trading decisions and explore opportunities across different timeframes and financial assets. Remember that it's always important to conduct thorough analysis and consider other factors before making trading decisions based solely on indicators. Use hammer and pump as a complementary tool in your trading toolbox. In addition to the advanced technology used in our indicators, we also focus on providing effective risk management. We understand the importance of protecting your capital and minimizing risk exposure. Our indicators will help you identify the best buying and selling opportunities while also providing exit signals and stop-loss levels, allowing you to properly manage your trades. It's also recommended to use dynamic stop-loss strategies that follow price movements, also known as trailing stops. Therefore, whenever the hammer symbol appears, you can open a sell trade, and when the pump symbol appears, you can close the sell trade to open a buy trade, and vice versa. Ease of use is another important aspect that we always emphasize. We know that technical analysis can be intimidating for some traders, especially those who are just starting out. That's why we've made sure that our indicators are easy to understand and use. We want you to feel comfortable and confident when using our tools, regardless of your level of experience. All right, traders, it's time to dive into the details with the backtesting of our innovative indicator. And trust me, the results are absolutely thrilling. For those who might be new to this, backtesting is a way to test the efficacy of a system or indicator using historical data. This gives us a clear idea of how it might have performed in the past, and while it doesn't guarantee future results, it's a fantastic tool for assessing and optimizing our strategies. We've conducted this backtesting on the BTC USDT pair on Binance, using a 30-minute chart and spanning a full year from August 25, 2022 to August 25, 2023. And here's where it gets interesting. By implementing automated risk management with a trailing stop of just 0.35% and using specific parameters for the Bollinger Bands, we achieved a net profit of 578.12%. Yes, you heard right. That means if you had invested, for instance, $1,000 at the start of the period, you'd now have $5,181.20. And the best part is we achieved this with a total of 1925 trades closed over that year. But what percentage of these trades were profitable? Well, over half, 54.55% to be exact. With a profit factor of 1.474, it means for every dollar we might have lost, we earned 147s. Now, it's crucial to talk about the max drawdown. It's the largest drop our portfolio had from a peak to its lowest point. In this case, it was only 10.24%. Given the volatility of the cryptocurrency market, this is a genuinely impressive indicator of the system's solidity and efficacy. It shows the strategy has excellent risk management. In summary, these numbers are not just encouraging. They're the representation of a tool that's been meticulously designed, optimized, and backed by historical data. If you're looking to enhance your trading strategy, this indicator surely seems like an excellent place to start. So, if you're as thrilled as we are about these results, stick with us because there's so much more to share in this video. And now, a scenario that will surely leave you pondering. What would have happened if we took our backtesting a step further and instead of 1 year, applied this strategy for 2 full years with the power of compound interest? We're talking from August 25, 2021 to August 25, 2023, and the results, well, brace yourself. An astounding net profit of 10,043.1%. Imagine having multiplied your initial investment by 100 in just 2 years. With a total of 3,141 trades closed, the strategy remained solid, and even more impressively, 60.55% of those trades were profitable. With a profit factor of 1.455 and maintaining a consistent max drawdown of 10.24%, the robustness and efficiency of this tool are simply evident. So, if you ever wondered about the long-term potential of this indicator and the magic of compound interest, here are the numbers to prove it. Truly a game changer in the trading world. But wait, it doesn't just work with Bitcoin. Let's take a quick look at how it performed with Ethereum. For the past year, from August 25, 2022 to August 25, 2023 on 30-minute charts, we achieved a net profit of 452.07%, closing 1934 trades and maintaining a controlled max drawdown of 15.06%. Stretching to 2 years, the net profit skyrockets to an astonishing 4363.73% with 3,165 trades closed and a max drawdown of 17.28%. And as I mentioned, this indicator is versatile and works excellently on all time frames. Let's shift to a more macro view, the 4-hour chart. For the most recent year, from August 25, 2022 to August 25, 2023, the net profit was 254.39%. We closed 215 trades, and the percentage of profitable trades was 62.33%. What's most impressive is the profit factor of 2.173 and a well-controlled max drawdown of 9.84%. If we expand the horizon to 2 years, the results intensify. A net profit of 2,216.23%, 415 trades closed, and an astounding 70.84% of profitable trades. The profit factor improved even further to 2.252, with a max drawdown of 15.6%. These results show that whether in shorter or longer intervals, our indicator adjusts and delivers consistent results. Imagine the opportunities you can capitalize on across different time frames. But what happens if we switch assets? It's not just about time, but also adaptability across different markets. Let's look at ETH/USDT on a 4-hour time frame for a span of 2 years. The net profit shot up to 963.23%. We had 270 closed trades, and here's the part that left me astounded. A whopping 87.04% of these trades were profitable. This speaks to the accuracy and effectiveness of our indicator. And with a profit factor of 2.769 and a max drawdown of 15.46%, it's clear that risk management remains our priority. So, whether you're trading Bitcoin or Ethereum in 30-minute or 4-hour intervals, our indicator has got you covered. Don't miss the chance to explore its potential across different assets and time frames. And of course, we offer competitive prices compared to similar products in the market. We want to ensure that you get good value for your money when choosing our indicators. We are committed to providing you with quality solutions at affordable prices. In addition to ease of use, our indicators have proven to be effective in real market situations. We have conducted extensive testing and obtained consistent and positive results. This means you can rely on our indicators to support your trading decisions. Let me also mention that behind Hammer and Pump and our other indicators, there are advanced technology and algorithms that support their accuracy and effectiveness. Our team of artificial intelligence experts is constantly working on improving and optimizing our indicators to ensure they are at the forefront of the industry. Furthermore, we offer a free demo, so you can try Hammer and Pump and familiarize yourself with its functionality before making a purchase. We want you to be fully satisfied with your choice and see the benefits that our indicators can offer. Similarly, if you're enjoying positive results with Hammer and Pump and want to share it with other traders, we offer the opportunity to join our referral and affiliate program, where you can earn 40% of profits for every referral you make. Gain additional benefits by recommending our indicators to communities, friends, and followers. Don't forget that we also have an active community on Telegram, where traders from around the world share ideas, strategies, and experiences. Join us and expand your knowledge and connections. We want you to feel like part of a strong community that supports you in your journey as a trader. Plus, you'll receive real-time signals and updates on the trades made by our indicators. At Smart Trading Indicators, we not only focus on providing high-quality indicators, but also on educating and supporting our customers. We offer educational resources, webinars, and additional tools to help you improve your skills and knowledge in trading. Your success is our success. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that we are committed to continuous improvement. We constantly update and enhance our indicators with AI, adding new features and functionalities. We want you to have access to the latest trading tools and maintain a competitive edge in the market. That's all for today, traders. I hope this information has been helpful, and I hope you're excited to try out Hammer and Pump and experience its benefits for yourself. Remember to visit our website and take advantage of the limited-time 70% discount offer. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Thank you all for your attention and for being part of our community. I wish you great success in your trades, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!